Hello friends, welcome back to the session. So guys, today's session we're going to discuss how to create a element property template, okay, and why this template is required. Okay, so let's start the demo. So you can see here the panel, all the options are available: file, edit, navigate, search, project, run window, and help. So go to window option, then click on preferences. Okay, here we require the option software AG designer. Okay, so go to software AG here, and you can see different options are there, but we require a service development. So expand the service development option. Okay, let me expand it. Okay, and here you can see the option element property templates. Okay, click on that particular option, and here you can see nothing is there, no element like name, element type, and description. So we need to create a fresh template. So click on new option. You can give the any kind of name like user defined name. So I'm giving the name as a demo property template. Element type, it could be your flow service, Java service, or C service. So I'm selecting the flow service. Description, I'm mentioning as a this is a property template. Okay, after that, whatever property you can see on your panel, like once you click on the empty flow service, that time you can see the properties. Those element you can see here, template properties. Okay, so permissions you can see. If I want to change the reuse option, I can just change here private to public. Then, as per your requirement, like project requirement, if you want to change the stateless property as a true or false, you can check here. Catch a result, if you want to change as a true or false, true. Catch a expired time, it's a 15 year. If I want to change as a change here, okay. Reset catch option as well as like reset catch option available pre-page. Like every option you can see one by one, and whatever option if you want to change according to your requirement. Okay, then click on ok option. After that, apply and close. Now this particular template, it's applied or not, or particular flow service that that phase we required, we need to create one flow service. So click on that particular flow folder, new, and then flow service, give the name as a test, and then finish. So empty flow got created, and that particular empty flow, I'm checking this particular template is applied or not. Okay, so if I click on the empty flow, you can see here the reuse option as a private, but I selected as a public. Catch expire 15 here, I selected as a 200. So how you can apply this particular template, click on this particular flow service, then apply template. Your like whatever name you mentioned there, the name you can see here. So click on demo property template, and again click on save option. And now you can click on this empty flow, and you can see here this particular template, like particular properties you can say reuse as a public, catch expire as a 200, catch a result as a true. Okay, but why this is required? Because manually at every time you can go to property and change everything. Okay, this is not possible. Another thing, this like whatever default template, if you want to apply for 10 services, apart from 10 services, other than whatever services you are creating as per project requirement, if you want to change this particular properties, that a time you require a template. Now, if I want to change this particular property template as a default, yeah, I want to delete this particular property template. Then what, like, what is the way I can follow? Okay, so click on test, apply template. You can select as a default here. Okay, again click on save option. click on empty space, you can see here this particular template got a change, property got a change. But I want to delete this particular property template. Then again go to the preferences option, and here click on this particular like property template and click on remove, and then apply and close. Okay, so that's all about guys today's demonstration. I hope you like and enjoy this session. So please subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, also click on the notify option. Thank you so much. Have a great day.